use.
Yeah. So array, it may be 1D array and 2D array. Okay. How the 1D array is distinct from 2D array? How we can distinguish between them? How many we can distinguish by their subscript? 1D array contains how many subscript?
One subscript.
One
And
subscript.
2D array?
Two.
Two subscripts.
Two subscript. Okay. So in C programming, you did sorting, searching, and reversing and 1D array. Okay. Now how to take the input of a 1D array? How to take the inputs of an 1D array?
Using a loop.
Using loop. So using for loop. How many for loops you need?
One.
For
Tell
1D
me the
array.
for loop
One.
for I equal to 0 to n plus I, and you read the elements of the array, isn't it? Okay. So here for why 0? 0 is the lower bound, lower index of the array, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And a higher index is if we read the n, want to read any n elements, so lower index is 0 and so higher index will be
n minus 1.
N minus 1.
Okay. So, and how to print the elements of the array?
For loop.
By for loop.
Huh?
By using a for loop.
By
For
using
loop.
for
So
loop.
tell me the loop for I equal to 0 to
I less than n, I
Less
plus
than
plus, and print the print
Print
that
I.
elements. Print the array of I. Like if the name of the array is A, then we will print A of I.
okay. So time complexity will be big O of n. Okay. For what is the big O notation, that will be explained by sir. Okay. So big O of n, why n? Because n is the number of element. Time complexity, that means how much time and space required to execute this program or execute this algorithm. Okay. Why n? N is the number of elements. Okay. And what is big O notation? Asymptotic notation. Big O is the asymptotic upper bound, that will be explained later. Now, if you want to sort the elements of an array, 1D array, how many for loops required? Sorting in 1D array? Two. Tell me the one simple sorting algorithm. I equal to 0 to n plus I, and within that j will be
J will be 0 and then j plus plus and j less than equal to n.
j less than equal to
N.
or j equal to I plus 1 to n, that may be also possible. Okay, mane next element. Index of I j will start from next element, and index of I will start from first element, isn't it? It is understandable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So value index of I will start from beginning start index of the array, and index of j will be start from next index of the array. Okay. Or it may from start index of the array, then you have to change it upper index. Okay. So here we are using two for loops. Two for loops, so time complexity will be big O of n square. Okay. Because j loop within I loop. Nested loop we are using. Now, if we want to reverse the elements of an array, what to do? Simple idea. Suppose we want to reverse the elements of an array. What to do? 1D array.
We will print from.
Ma'am, we can take another array and there we can store the first array in the reverse order. And again we will copy it.
Without using second array, can you do?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we'll swap the first and the last element, then second
Yeah.
and second last, then third and third last, like this way.
Your assignment is like this. That means you have to reverse the elements of an array. Yeah. You can take another array, but and print it in reverse order. But another idea is within the same array, you interchange the elements. Okay. Swap the first element with last element, second element with last before elements. Like this way, you have to swap in. So what will be the time complexity?
ON.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Big
ON.
O,
Order
N,
of n.
Big O.
until we reach the middle position, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And now, so what are the basic data structure operation you can perform in an 1D array? One is taking input, another is printing, then tell me sorting, then
Searching.
searching,
Searching.
reversing, okay, and anything else?
Rotation.
Huh?
Rotation.
Okay, so time complexity is also known to you. For sorting, it is big O of n square, and if you want to search the elements, what will be the time complexity? Tell me, how many for loops you need? Time complexity, time required to execute this algorithm or program. Suppose we want to search an element from an 1D array. So what to do? We have to start from the first position. Okay, start from the, can you listen?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Huh?
Can you repeat the question? I missed it.
If you want to search an element from an 1D array, tell me the looping structure. Suppose I want to search an element from an 1D array.
Ma'am, first we will
Ma'am,
take
we will.
the input.
Huh?
First, we will take the input of whichever number or element we want to search, and then we will run a loop. And in the loop, we will compare each element of the array with the previously taken input value, and this way we can search the element.
Okay, so only one for loop is enough, isn't it? So time complexity will be big O of
N.
n. Okay, so what are the other data structure operation can be performed on an 1D array? Maximum, minimum, isn't it? We can find maximum and minimum also,
Yes.
isn't it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Now same operations we can perform in 2D array. 2D array also. Some few operations, few extra operations can be performed on 2D array. Like we can represent it in row measure order and column measure order. Again, we can find how many diagonals exist in a 2D array. How many diagonals exist in a 2D array? Chayon or Shovik, Shreya, Shobnik, tell me. Shubhrokanti, Onkita,
Ma'am, 2 diagonals.
2 diagonals. One is left, another is
Right.
right. Okay, so we can find maximum from each row. So how many maximum can be obtained? Number of rows. ঠিক আছে? Suppose 3 rows exist in a 2D array, so we can find 3 maximum, 3 minimum. Again, from each diagonal we can find the maximum and as well as minimum. Now we can represent it in 2 ways. 2D array, one row measure order, one column measure order. Tell me what is the concept of row measure order? Suppose an 1D array, 2D array dimension is 4 cross 2. 4 cross 2. That means 4 rows and 2 columns. Row 1 contains 1, 2. Row 2 contains 3, 4. Row 3 contains 5, 6. And row 4 contains 7, 8. Right. If we want to represent it in row major order, what will be the order of the elements in memory location? If we want to represent it in row major order,
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
will be
it should
1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6, then 7, 8.
that means elements will be
Row-wise.
stored. Elements will be stored in one D array in memory location in row wise. Okay, and column major order. What will be the order? How the elements will be stored in memory locations?
1, 3,
1,
5,
3,
7,
5, 7.
Then
2, 4, 6, 8.
okay, so elements will be stored in column wise. So row major order represent a 2D array. That means you have to take the inputs of the elements and then print it. So while reading the inputs of a 2D array, how many loops are required? How will you read the elements of 2D array? Tell me.
2
2D
loops are
array.
required.
Tell me the loops. I equal to 0 to 0 to
0 less than n.
n is the number of rows or columns.
Rows.
Number
Rows.
of rows.
Then within that, J will be
0 to number of columns.
columns. You have to read the elements. So what will be the time complexity of this read operation?
N square.
N square, because you are using 2 loops. Okay. Time complexity means amount of time required to execute this algorithm. Okay. Now, in terms of input size n. In terms of input size n. That will be explained later today itself. So, and how will you print the elements of a 2D array? We can represent it 2D, 1D in row major order as well as column major order. So, two way we can print it. Tell me the row way representation. How to print in row major format?
First, the outer loop will be row, and the inner loop will be for column, and it will be the same way.
Tell me little bit loudly. একটু জোরে বলো.
Ma'am, the outer loop will be the row loop, and the inner loop will be the column loop.
Column loop. That is the and element will be ij. So it will be printed in row major order. And if you want to print it column major order, so how what will be the structure of the loop?
First
Ma'am,
will be
A
the
and
column
then
loop,
JI.
then it will be the row loop. First loop will be the column loop, then inside it will be the row loop.
First column loop and then
Row loop.
row loop. Oh, okay. Then it will be ji, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be in column major order. So what will be the time complexity?
N square only, ma'am.
N square.
We go of n square.
N square.
Suppose we want to multiply two 2D matrix. Given দুটো 2D matrix দেয়া আছে, 2D matrix দেয়া আছে A and B, we want to calculate the product C equal to A in dot B. A dot B. That means A dot B. So what will be the you did this program in C programming or not? Did you do this programming?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how many loops are needed?
3, ma'am.
3 loops. Because we need another K loop, right?
Yes,
Within that. So, what will be the time complexity of this
N cube.
algorithm?
N
Matrix
cube.
multiplication?
N
We go
cube.
in cube.
N cube. Okay. Now, tell me how to find. We can find the in 2D array. We can find the maximum element from each row, maximum element from each column, and again minimum element also we can find out. And from diagonal also, from both diagonal also, we can print the maximum and minimum element. Okay. So how many maximum element will be obtained? Suppose our 2D array contains 3 rows. So how many maximum and minimum element obtained? Row wise. For each row we are getting 1 maximum and 1 minimum. So overall 3 maximum,
Maximum.
3 maximum, 3 minimum.
3 minimum. And for 2 diagonal also, we can obtain 2 or maximum, 2 minimum, isn't it? So these assignments are given. Now how many? What are the different types of data structure available? How many types? Do you
Two
know?
types.
Kiki, what are the
Linear and
Linear
nonlinear.
and non-linear.
So array belongs to
Linear
Linear.
data.
Linear. Linear.
Linear.
vector means 1D array, and 2D array means matrix.
Matrix.
So they belongs to linear data structure. What are the other linear data structure available?
Stack queue.
Linked list, stack, queue,
Stack.
Queue,
Linked list.
linked list,
linked list.
Linked list.
Now tell me what are the example of non-linear data structure?
tree graph.
Tree, graph.
Graph and tree.
Tree and graph.
So do you have any assignments on linked list to be submitted on Sunday? No, only 1D array and 2D array. Tell me.
Yes.
No, only multiplication of 2 matrices. And okay, transpose of a sparse. Achha. Okay, only on 1D array and 2D array. And now, can you tell what is sparse matrix?
In a matrix where the number of zeros are more than the number of non-zero elements.
Okay, number of 0 is more which contains more number of 0 elements. Okay. Now, if that means number of can you calculate the number of non-zero entries in a 2D array?
Yes, ma'am.
Using 2 loops, isn't it?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
I equal to 0 to n, 0 to row plus I, within that j equal to 0 to column plus j, we have to calculate each element. Xij, the x is the 2D array. Xij, we have to check. If it is not equal to 0, we have to store it in a counter. Okay. If this counter value less than, that means number of non-zero element is less than row into column by 2. Then we have to print that it is sparse matrix. That means number of non-zero element. How to calculate number of non-zero element? I told you, explained, isn't it? Listen. So number of non-zero element, if it is less than row into column by 2, number of rows into number of columns by 2, then we have that the matrix is sparse matrix. That means large number of 0 elements. We then check given matrix sparse or not. If it is sparse, then represent it in 3-tuple format. Okay. Is it understandable?
What is 3-tuple format?
3-tuples format. Number of rows, number of columns, and row number, column number, and non-zero entry. Suppose a 2D array, 2D array, 3 cross 3 array. Maximum how many elements can be stored? 9.
9.
Maximum 2D array, 3 cross 3 2D array. How many elements can be stored?
9.
9 elements.
9 elements maximum.
Okay. Now within these nine elements, suppose 3 elements, it contains 3 non-zero entries, 3 non-zero elements. Okay, so we have to represent it only the non-zero element, that is 3-tuple format. 3-tuple format, that means it will be another matrix which contains row number, column number and non-zero element. Row number, column number and non-zero element, value of the non-zero element. Okay, row number, in which row this, first it contains 3 non-zero elements, in which row it belongs to, which column belongs to, and another is value of the non-zero element.
Ma'am, can you explain this with an example?
Example, suppose a matrix is diagonal matrix. 1 0 0 0 2 0 then 0 0 3. Okay, so what will be the tuple, 3-tuple format? Row number hoche it that means the one it belongs to row 0, column 0. Right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So 0 0 0 0 1. Then 2 belongs to row 1, column 1. Right? Bolo. So 1 1 2 and 3 belongs to row 2, column 2. So it will be 2 2 3. 2 to 3.
2
So
to
it
3.
is understandable now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is 3-tuple format. How can we check it is sparse or not? Row into column by 2. Mane hoche 3 into 3 by 2. Mane 9 by 2. 9 by 2, that means almost equivalent to 4.5. So 3 less than 4.5. Number of non-zero entries koto? 3.
Yes, yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes,
if
ma'am.
3 less than 4.5, so it is sparse matrix and you have to represent 3-tuple format. That means we have to represent the non-zero element. That means initial original matrix 0 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. Okay, so this is the original matrix. So we have to first show that it is sparse and we have to represent 3-tuple format. So in 3-tuple format, it will be 0 0 1, then 1 1 2, then 2 2 3, isn't it? Tell me there, see. Row
Yes, ma'am.
number.
Understood.
So, okay, it is no problem. Then transpose of a sparse matrix. Transpose. Can you write a program to transpose a matrix?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how to transpose a matrix?
Ma'am, instead of printing Cij, we will be printing Cji.
You have to write
Yes, ma'am.
CJI. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
তাহলে find
Yes,
the
ma'am.
transpose of a sparse matrix. Aij will be AJI. That means we have to rotate it, isn't it? How to transpose
Yes,
a
ma'am.
matrix? You have to rotate it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then find the matrix multiplication of two matrices. It is known to you. That means you have to use one extra for loop for k. K in matrix multiplication. Can you write matrix multiplication problem? No problem. Is a matrix multiplication?
Yes, ma'am. You can do.
Is it understandable?
Yes, ma'am.
So matrix multiplication, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Sparse matrix also I explained. You have to check and 3-tuple format.
Yes, ma'am.
Row measure and column measure format. Row measure order and display it. Here column measure is not given, so row measure format. Isn't it? Now come binary search. Linear search and binary search. How to do linear search? Tell me the simple, using simple explanation. Linear search. Linear search.
Yes, ma'am. We will just
Tell me
run a
how
loop.
to do.
We will take a input
Yeah.
for the element which we want to search, and
Yeah.
then we will run a loop.
Yeah.
And in each iteration, we will compare the element of the array with the input we have taken. And
Yeah.
whenever we find the element, we can take the address of the
We can
element.
give the message that it is found. It is found or not found. Okay. If you come out of the loop, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about binary search? We have to this for doing this binary search. We have to we need a sorted array. We need a sorted array and compare the searching element with the mid value of the array. We have to compare the searching element with the mid value of the array. If the searching element is less than mid value, we have to discard the upper half and we have to search the lower half. If the searching element is greater than mid value, we have to discard the lower half and search upper half. And if it is equal to mid value, no problem, element found. বোঝা গেল এটা বাইনারি সার্চ বলো
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
or
ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
explain once again. Shall I
No, ma'am.
explain?
It's clear.
Huh?
No, ma'am,
No,
it's clear.
ma'am, we understood.
Clear? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so binary search বোঝা গেছে শ্রেয়া সগ্নিক বোঝা গেছে অঙ্কিতা
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম
Yes, ma'am.
বুঝেছি
আচ্ছা what is the time complexity of linear search
N time complexity.
হ্যাঁ
N.
N.
big O of n হ্যাঁ upper bound asymptotic upper bound big O of n and for binary search
Big O of log n.
big O of log n ঠিক আছে if suppose unsorted array is given so unsorted array first you have to sort it so time for sorting how many loops are needed
2 loops.
2 loops so what will be the time complexity of sorting
N square.
n square and for then we have to do binary search so big O of n square plus big O of n or big O of log n isn't it first we have to do sorting then big O of n square plus big O of log n to the base 2 that is equal to কত can you tell that is the highest power of n that is big O of n square if unsorted is the array is given so it is needed big O of n square so we need sorted array so that time complexity should be big O of log n to the base 2 ঠিক আছে now অমর্ত্য স্যার
Yes, I'm there.
anything else I have to explain
Okay, thank you, Jomati. Thank you.
shall you start from algorithm
Yes.
okay then you start
Okay, students, these are your assignments and submit these assignments by Sunday. These are your assignments. First, write a C program to insert and delete an element from 1D static array. Next, reverse the elements. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, delete the
Yes, sir, yes,
duplicate
sir, you are
element,
audible.
largest and smallest element in the 1D array. Next, find the second largest and second smallest, and then linear search and binary search. So, do you know what is column measure order and row measure order? The main mathematics behind this, the formula.
Yes, sir.
So could you write down the formulas for row measure order for a sparse matrix, lower triangular array? Just write down the problem. Find out the address of element at position ij, at position I comma j, at position I comma j in a lower triangular matrix. In a lower triangular matrix. So how to proceed? Any idea? How to proceed?
We haven't done anything like this.
Any idea?
So there
No,
was one
sir.
formula that base address plus the size of the data type multiplied by that type.
Multiplied by
So something like j min I mean the number of rows minus 1, and then the number of columns minus plus the number of columns. It had to be multiplied by something. I don't remember exactly.
remember. Okay, very good. One second. So lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix means, what is lower triangular matrix?
So
A11, next A21. What is lower triangular matrix? All the elements above the principal diagonal is 0, right? This is the lower triangular matrix. And A31, A32, is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir, it's visible.
A33
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
up to, if the size is n by n, then n1, sorry, n2, handwriting is dangerous, n3 up to ann. Okay, so this is the lower triangular matrix. So this is our principal diagonal, and all the elements above the principal diagonal are set to 0. Clear? Now, what is a sparse matrix? Sparse matrix, most of the entries are 0. Okay, this is the sparse matrix, right? Sparse matrix can be divided into two parts: triangular matrix and band matrix. Triangular matrix, that is lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix. One second, just one second, hold on one second. Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix, okay? And our lower triangular matrix can be subdivided into lower left, lower right. Upper triangular matrix similarly upper left, upper right. And the band matrix are the diagonal, tridiagonal, and alpha beta band. We will explain details in our theory class, okay? And this is the lower triangular matrix. So all the entries above the main diagonal, principal diagonal, are set to 0, right? Now, so these are the n by n. So this is the n by n square matrix, lower triangular matrix. Now, you are asked to find out the address of Aij. Address of Aij. What will be the value? Address of Aij? Any idea? Lower triangular matrix. And this is given that you have to find out through row major order. What should we do? Any idea?
It will be normal only, no? Even if it is lower triangular.
Shurashish,
Yes, sir.
please be louder. Shayon, Shreya,
Sir, base address plus I into number of columns plus j.
base address, that is suppose base address is B plus
I
I plus
into
I into
the number of columns.
number of columns, that is J.
No, sir, the total number of columns of the matrix.
Total number of columns of the matrix.
Is plus j.
1 second. Total number of columns of the matrix, that is N.
N or C as you wish. N
Total
plus
number
j.
total number of matrix is N
Yes, sir, it's N. N
Okay.
plus j.
plus J.
Yes, sir.
Plus J. Is it correct? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir, we need to multiply the height of each, the memory that
Height of?
each element is taking. Size of each element.
Okay, size of each element, let size of each element is W byte. Then we have to add this W. Sorry, multiply this W.
Yes, sir. Multiply it.
Anything else? Suraj is now adding me in the PCC CS391B1. Okay, very good.
Sir, will it be B plus W into Ni plus J?
Mhm.
Exactly, this is.
Anybody?
Sir, it will be minus 1. I mean, if it is I, then I minus 1.
Y
And then
I minus 1,
then plus J minus 1 within, and then whole multiplied by that W. I mean the
Just-
size of the data type.
do you have a paper with you? Do you have a paper with you?
Yes, sir.
Please take a note. In case of row major order, we have to scan first this row, then we have to scan this row, then this row, and so on and so forth until we get this is our desired position. This position is our Aij. Okay, this is the Aij. So we have to take I minus 1. We have to take I minus 1 number of rows completely, because we are entering row wise. First row, we have to scan the first row, then the second row, then the third row, up to I minus 1th row, full complete row, up to I minus 1 full complete row. Is it clear to you? The element lies at row number I, Aij. The element lies at row number I, so we have to take full I minus 1 number of rows. Clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the element is at position J. The element is at position J. So the element is at position J. Suppose Aij, Aij is A32. Then what will be the value of I? Value of I will be 3. Value of J will be 2. Right?
Yes,
If
sir.
this is A32, if this is A32, then value of J is 2. So the second index, that is the column, actually represent the number of elements in the particular row, right? Number of elements in the particular row, that is A32. A32. In case of A32, these two denotes, that is J, number of column, denotes there are 2 entries in the third row, A31 and A32. 2 entries in the third row. So Aij. So what will J represent? What will J represent?
The column number.
Yes, the column number. That is the J number of entries will be there. J number of entries will be there at row number I. At ith row, there will be J number of entries. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
for the first row, we have to take first element. For the second row, we have to take 2 elements. For the third row, we have to take 3 elements, as this is the lower triangular matrix. So we can write for the first row 1 element, for the second row 2 element, for the third row 3 elements, plus up to how many rows? How many rows?
I minus
No.
N.
How many rows?
I minus 1.
I
Yes.
minus 1.
I minus 1, because the element is at desired element is at ith row, so we have to consider completely I minus 1 number of rows. So at the first row there are 1 element, at the second row there are 2 elements, at the third row there are 3 elements. So at I minus 1 row there will be I minus 1 number of elements. Clear? Now could you tell me at ith row, how many entries will be there?
2. J.
At ith row, how many elements will be there?
J.
J.
Yes, very good. At ith row, J entries will be there. So at first row, there will be 1 entry. Second row, there will be 2 entry. Similarly, I minus 1 row, there will be I minus 1 entries. At ith row, there will be J entries. So what will be the formula?
I into I minus 1 by 2 plus J.
Yes, I into I minus 1, I into I minus 1 divided by 2 plus the element at ith row, that is J. So this is the formula. This formula is used for finding the address of lower triangular matrix. Clear? At position ij. Is it clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now your homework is submit these homeworks by tonight. Okay.
Submit what? Like this.
No, this is not assignment 1, assignment 2. These are only for questionnaires. Submit these by tonight. So your question is find out the address of an element at ij, that is ij means at position ij, that is row number I and column number j. Clear?
Yes, sir.
For a lower triangular matrix in column measure order. Okay. Find out the address of element at position ij in a lower triangular matrix for column measure order. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Find out the address. Find out the address. Find out the address of an element at position ij. At position ij. At position ij for upper triangular matrix. For upper triangular matrix in row measure order as well as in column measure order. As well as in column measure order. Okay. Complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Shreya. Shreya, are you there? Roll number 9120.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, could you please tell me how to find out the last problem? That is, in case of upper triangular matrix, the address of an element at position ij for column measure order scanning. Do you have any idea? No.
No, sir.
Why no? Just think about the problem. What is column measure order?
The elements are stored column wise.
Yes, the elements are stored in column wise. What is upper triangular matrix?
Upper triangular matrix, all the elements above the principal diagonal are non-zero.
Yes. So below the principal diagonal are 0.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then how to do this? Should I write?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Sir, is it n into I minus 1 minus I into I minus 1 by 2 plus j?
Repeat once again.
N into I minus 1?
Why n? The size of the matrix is n by n. But you are asked to find out the address at position ij. So why n?
Sir, because the first row will have all the elements. No?
One second. A11. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
A11. Next,
One,
A12. Next, A13. Up to
A1N.
A1N, right?
Yes,
Next,
sir. A22.
A22. This is a difficult job. A23. Dot dot up to A2N,
2n.
right?
Yes,
And
sir.
finally,
Yes, sir.
this is
ANN.
NN. Matrix is square matrix, that is n by n. Now, this is A33. A33 and this is A3n. Okay. Is it clearly visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Shreya,
Yes, sir.
are you
Yes, sir.
there?
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Then you are asked to find the address of an element at ij position
Yes, sir.
using column measure order. This is the upper triangular matrix, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So column measure order means first you have to scan this column,
Up to k minus 1. The,
then this column, then this column in this fashion. Okay.
okay.
Now, any idea?
Sir, up to j minus 1, it will be like
Yes.
all the
Yes.
elements.
All the
That will
elements.
be n plus n
One
minus
minute. One minute. Shreya, continue.
Sir, I think it will be j into j minus 1 by 2, and then I elements in the like.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So in the first column, there will be one entry. Okay. In the second column, there will be two entries. In the third column, there will be three entries. Plus up to j minus 1th column. Why j minus 1th column? Because we can take the j minus 1th column as a full of entries. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
there will be j minus 1. J minus 1 number of full entries. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, plus how many entries are there? Suppose this is A23. If Aij is equal to A23, let Aij is equal to A23. Then I means
2.
I is 2. I is 2.
Yes, sir.
Where I is 2. That is, this I denotes at jth column there will be two entries, right?
Yes, sir.
A23. A23 means there will be two entries at third column. Okay. So at jth column, how many entries will be there?
I.
If A23 denotes, these two denotes, there will be two entries
2.
at column 3. Then at column J, how many entries will be there? I number of entries will be there.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So the formula will be J into J minus 1 by 2, right? J into J minus 1, J into J minus 1 divided by 2 plus I. Is it clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one second. Now, what are the formulas for row measure order and column measure order? What are the formulas? Anyone?
Formula for any matrix. Formula for any particular matrix or for sparse matrix?
For any matrix.
It's B plus W.
Please be louder.
B plus W into, if it's row measure order, then it's B plus W into number of columns into I, that is the row we want to find, minus the lower bound of the row,
Yes.
plus J minus lower bound of the column,
Suppose we want to find out the position at this. So this is, the location is IJ. The location is ij. Clear? This is the location ij at position ij. Then if we use the row measure order, that is if we use the row measure order, that is aij address aij, and we use row, then what will be the value? And if we use column at ij, what will be the value? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so what will be the value? Aij at position r. If we row scan, row wise scan,
So for
that
row
is
measure order, it will be b plus w into w whole into
that is if b is the base address, that is if b is the first address. Okay, if b is the first address, then row measure order, that is we have to scan the first row, then we have to scan the second row, and then third row. Okay, so I minus 1, so b plus, so b plus at position I, so I minus the LR. Why LR? LR is the lower bound of the row. So I minus LR. I minus LR. So this I minus LR entries, rows will be full. So this I minus LR in rows will be full. So this into full. So UC minus LC plus 1. UC minus LC. UC minus LC plus 1. Clear? And then how many entries? Then how many entries?
j minus
J minus LC.
lower bound.
Yes, J.
A
So
minus
at
LC.
position this. So at position this, then
नीचे जाओ एकदम लास्ट
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, the line is disconnected. Is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
So,
Now?
no, yes, sir. No, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the formula.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
This is the formula for column major order, right? Now, one problem is there. 1 second. Next one assignment. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yes, sir.
Find
Yes.
out the address. Find out the address. Find out the address of an element at position ij. At position ij for row major order and column major order. For row major order and column major order. For a tri-diagonal matrix. Okay. For a tri-diagonal matrix. This is your assignment. Now, Jhumadi, are you there?
Yes.
Sir, can you
আমি
repeat the
ঝুমা
question?
বলছি। আমি
Okay.
ঝুমা বলছি।
Find out the address of an element at position ij for a tri-diagonal matrix. For a tri-diagonal matrix. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Jhumadi, do you want to
বলুন।
continue? Do you want to continue something?
অ্যারে ইনসারশন এন্ড ডিলিশনটা এক্সপ্লেন করে দিতাম।
As you wish.
ইয়া আমি কিছুক্ষণ বলি অ্যারেতে ইনসারশন, ওয়ান ডি অ্যারেতে ইনসারশন এন্ড ডিলিশনটা
Okay.
এক্সপ্লেন করে দিই।
Okay. Carry on.
আচ্ছা, আমি কি হোয়াইট স্ক্রিনে যেতে পারি? আপনি যেই হোয়াইট স্ক্রিনে দেখালেন
হ্যাঁ পারেন তো।
সেটা
আমি
কিভাবে যেতে হবে আমাকে বলেন।
আপনি কিসে করছেন, মোবাইলে না? 1 সেকেন্ড।
ল্যাপটপে।
ও আপনি